Hey guys, just running the Kraton today on 6S and see how we go. One of my favourite bash spots. It's a bit busy around the corner where I normally drive, but we'll get a chance. It's been wet overnight, so I don't know how we'll go, but yeah, should be a fun day. Let's see what happens. Brand new backflips today, first time I've ever used them, so we'll see if I'm got any added performance from last time running the old tyres, that's stock tyres. We'll see how we go. Well, looks like we got loads more grip than usual, so that's a good thing out here. It's a bit slippery. Unfortunately, there's a few muddy puddles here, a bit of dirt in them, but this is one of my little berms I used to usually drive on. See how we go with it. Not a great start, really. Loving these tyres, the grip is unbelievable. The stock tyres wouldn't have held on at all around here, would have been all over the place. They're really throwing up some dirt, which is great. Oh, I love it. We've had a bit of rain over the last couple of days, not much, but I think it's made the track a lot stickier, which is brilliant. But these tyres are, man, they're good. Just absolutely hooking up so well. not ideal. I took my leg off, but oh, broken shock. We got a broken shock. Rear shock mount. Looks like we lost a bit of suspension. Yep, there she is, snapped. Yeah, so as you can see here, just the tie rod end there snapped. I'm pretty sure I've got a spare one here. Well, we're all back together, looking good. In case any of you guys are wondering why the front shocks on this look so different, I've had an issue where I hit a concrete planter box early when I first got the car, and I'm still waiting for replacement parts to get the V3 shocks up and running fixed. So I've had to run these 1/8 scale buggy shocks, which are doing okay, surprisingly. They do leak a little bit, but they're holding up. I'm using the Kraton springs, but yeah, so far thankfully they've held up, so I've been able to still drive the car. But anyway, it's a bit busier today than usual. It's a Sunday. I'm normally down here during the week and I don't really see anyone. Today there's plenty of little bikers around, which is great to see, and yeah, good little bashing spot this one. We've got loads of different areas to take the car. It's really wide open and don't get in the way. Nearly lost it. Still getting used to how these tyres kick up when off the lip. Oh, not good. I've got some T-bone racing parts coming soon. Hopefully that will protect the rear of the car. I snapped the standard outcast wheelie bar off the other day on a big jump, but now I've got just a rear wing alone. I just cannot get over how well these tyres grip compared to the stock ones. It's incredible. A little slow on the throttle there. Well, that wasn't meant to happen, but it was good enough in the end. Oh, These tyres are incredible. I've got a bit of metal wire. That's handy. I've got these new backflips with the holes in the wheels sealed up, and I've vented with 1/8 brass rod in 2 places. I'll see how that goes. It may be not big enough, but I can always add more holes. A bit nervous off this jump today. The actual ramping is changed due to the weather and people driving on it. Let's see. Once again, a little nose heavy. Too much braking. Bad control, but no. Alright guys, I'm going to just give it a couple more jumps here, and then I might turn the recording off because I'm not really showing anything new. So once I get these tyres worn in a bit and I'm a bit used to what's going on, I might throw on a couple more minutes. One of the problems I have with this particular jump is that every section of it's slightly different, which makes it exciting, but the car responds so differently each time. Wow, cannot believe that body pin came off. Right, I'm going to go and stop this video now and investigate. Well guys, run with the Kraton's done for today. I don't know if you can see that at all, but one of the teeth on the pinion's gone. This isn't a stock pinion either. Yeah, this is an upgraded pinion, but obviously it versus a rock or something didn't win.